Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Stella Jane. So today we are going for this flawless full face finish that can last all day. So we all start off with moisturizing, apply it all over our face. Let it dry off first before we go in with our primer. I'm using the Zaron face primer. Applied it all over the face too. Let it sit in first. So I wanted doing my brows today before I did the face. So I went in with a powder first. I applied on the brows before I used the Davis number 3 eye pencil to outline my brows. I've forgotten, back in I usually like to do the brows first. I don't know when I started even doing the face before the brows, but I like doing the brows then first. So to draw hair like trans, I used this very sharp pencil. I don't have brow hairs, so I have to mimic brow hairs. So I now draw hair like trans up my brows. To clean the down part of my brows, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. This has been my holy grail for a long time before I discovered Flawless Ivy. So I applied this on my brow bone area. I didn't take it down to the front of my brows because I wanted using my contour shade for that. So after that, I blend it in with my middle finger. I use my foundation, the V Beauty foundation, forgotten the shade name, to clean out the top part of my brows. While doing this, I discovered, it's too light. So, and I use the contour shade I told you guys about to clean the upper part of my brows. Blend it in with my middle finger. Then go in with the LA again for my eyeshadow base. Guys, if you are hearing the banging sound in the background, please forgive me. There's this construction going on after my compound, so it's getting noisy almost every day. So after that, I set it in immediately. I'm always saying set it in or it will crease. So for today, I'm starting off with my orange eyeshadow as my transition color. Use it with my blending brush. Then I go in with this brown to deepen my crease. I wanted this smoky pink look, but I didn't want to use black. I was doing everything to avoid using black. So I blend it in again. I use that same one to go in my crease area because I wanted deepening my crease. Then go in with this brown shade. I told you I'm doing everything to avoid using black. I didn't want to use black today. After that, I blend it in again with the orange shade with my transition color. I'm always saying makeup, you have to blend. Or you blend, you apply, you blend. So for my main color, I'm using that pink shade from the Flawless eyeshadow palette. I've forgotten the name of this palette. So I apply it on my main color, and I didn't really want the precise application, so I use a bigger brush to apply. So I go in with a darker liner to line a dark black liner to line my eyes. This liner, I thought I really got it very cheap. I don't know from where, but I like it. I love it. So I'm using these two foundation, V Beauty and Flawless Ivy. Mix them together to get my shade, to get my perfect shade. I don't know, the day I will have I'll just go and they'll smudge and I'll have the exact shade of my foundation. I'll be really happy. So I applied this all over my face. I was like, the Flawless Ivy foundation, their darkest shade is ebony. This one that I'm using to bronze. See, I can't even use it to contour. How can the darkest shade of a foundation be this color? I see people online like always struggling about inclusivity, and the black owned company can't even include themselves. What is going on? So after contouring my nose, I got in with that Elegel Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn to conceal my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. And I blend it in with my Damn Beauty sponge. No, wait, Damn Beauty sponge. You have to take out all the water from the beauty sponge, because if it doesn't, it won't give you this, it won't blend well. And guys, when I started makeup, I was thinking, I have to have all those fancy brushes. But for your face, you just need a Damn Beauty sponge for all your liquid application, and you are good to go. A very good Damn Beauty sponge, mind you, not those strong ones. So that's what I use for my blush, and I'm still using that Damn Beauty sponge. So you just need a very good beauty sponge. A good beauty sponge costs like from 1,000 naira upward. So I'm setting the whole of my face. No, not 2,000 naira upward before you could get a very good beauty sponge. 2,000 naira upward. So I set all the places I highlighted with that Flawless Ivy. Then I'm using that one for my bronzing. Use the lighter one for my contour. And I'm trying these days to reduce my forehead. Those days they always argue that I don't have forehead. These days it's just going in. My hairline is just residing. So I now set the places I bronze. Okay, I set my bronze, my nose contour too. Then I set all my face. I like using my shade powder to set just all over my face. It doesn't matter where I highlight it or not. I just set it all. Then I use the classic lash glue to apply on my eyes. This method really works wonders. Then I blush. This method really works because it makes the lashes stay in place. Easy application of lashes. If you want an easy application, use this method and thank me later. Thank you. See, you just stay in place. You just place it. Stay in place. You just have to arrange it, pinch it all in. So I use a purple color to line my waterline. Go in with this red. You guys know I usually avoid using red. Today I was like, why not? Let me go in with a red today. But I didn't really want it that much, so I just eyeline, then use that one that I used to just make it all like, you understand, right? Then I use the Kiss Beauty setting spray to take off all those powders. Guys, if you want your makeup long lasting, you have to set. So guys, this is the final look. Don't forget to subscribe. Give your thought on the comment section. Until the next video, bye.